Welcome to the Leatherback tutorial series. In this video, we will be going over how to set up the Leatherback car project so you can train your car with reinforcement learning and drive through the waypoints. This project is hosted by the Isaac Lab study group. You can check out our Discord in the link below. Special thanks to Strainflow, Eric Bowman, and Antoine Richard for this project, and Papa Chuck for modifying the code. You can follow the documentation at lycheeai.notion.site. When you click on the link, you can go to Isaac Lab and Projects, Leatherback Community Project. The version that we're using is Isaac Lab 2.0 and Isaac Sim 4.5. If you haven't installed, go ahead and follow the installation guide in this link below. Let's go ahead and open the repository so you can have the files to follow. So in this repo, you basically want to copy everything inside this project folder, and I'll guide you on where to put these files. Let's go ahead and click code and download as zip. Once you finish downloading, let's go ahead and extract the zip file so we can look at the files in there. We'll also open our project in the Visual Studio Code from the Isaac Lab. Okay, first thing we're going to navigate is in the source. We're going to go to Isaac Lab Assets. Go one more in here, Isaac Lab Assets. And under Robotics, we're going to throw our leatherback.py in there. So the file is from Isaac Lab Assets. Keep going in here. So we're basically going to grab this file and drop it in here. And you should have a file similar to this. Okay, next we're going to go to Isaac Lab Task, which is a couple folders down. Let's open it. And under Isaac Lab Task, under Direct, I already have the project, but you want to put the Leatherback folder directly under the direct folder. So let's go back to the download that we have. Under Isaac Lab Task, Direct. Then you will want to select this folder and go ahead and drop it into this direct, which I already did. Then we're going to verify if we can train our Leatherback and also play after that. I am on Linux, so I'll be using the Linux command, but we also have the Windows version for the train and playing command that you can copy. Let's verify if we can start training our model. Let's check our current path and make sure you are already sourced in your Python environment or in your Conda environment. Let's check our directory. I am in Isaac Lab, and in here you should already see your isaac-lab.sh, your scripts, and your source, which is basically underneath here. And let's go ahead and copy the training and run it. Okay, so you can see the scene is opened, and down here you can see a progress bar with your training. You can see the cars trying to learn how to go through that waypoint. And there's dozens of them. We set it at 32. Okay, let's hit Control-C a couple times to close the program. And what we want to do is train in headless. So let's copy the second command. So now we have 4,000 environments. We're going to train in headless, which should be a lot faster. Here you go. Let's just go ahead and sit out and wait. Once we finish training, you should see some files in your logs, skrl, and these are your models that were trained. Let's go ahead and verify that we can play with the models that was trained. We'll copy the one script underneath playing with 32 environments. Let's go ahead and load. All right, so you can see the car is already trained and it runs very smooth. I'll go through all the waypoints and then reset the environment. And we have 32 of them running parallel. Okay, that's how you get the Leatherback project set up. In the next coming series, we'll explain the code, what it does, and how to utilize them. So be sure to check out our website at lycheeai.notion.site. And Lychee AI will be explaining more later. And again, this is a active tutorial series. If you want to follow along, we have study groups, link in description below. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. And if you have questions, feel free to comment. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one.